I get a lot of pride from just waking up and working on my business and growing where I'm at now and seeing where I can be in the future. My name is Gabby, and I own Mosquito Hunters of Land O'Lakes. And I purchased my franchise about 6 months ago. I heard about Melissa through a customer. I was working at Christian Brothers Automotive at the time, and a customer needed a ride home while he was waiting for his car. So I gave him a ride and we got to talking, and he told me that he had worked with a franchise consultant to open up his franchise. And I said, what is franchise consultant? I had no idea. I'd never heard of that. Always wanted to be a business owner. I didn't know how to go about it. So when I heard about franchising, I was like, well, tell me more. And before I knew it, I was buying a franchise. It was really seamless, easy process. I had my first meeting with Melissa, and she asked me all sorts of questions. She explained the process to me and let me know what it was I could expect from her going forward. And it was like an eye-opening experience, because she's asking me all these questions that I wouldn't have even thought to ask or would even be involved in deciding what franchise is right for me. So at the end of everything, once we had multiple meetings, phone calls, she showed me exactly why she was placing me with what franchises she was telling me about. It really was just a learning experience about myself and about what I need to be looking for when looking to open a business. Before, I was working a 9 to 5 for somebody else's business or dream. I wasn't really going out and singing the praises of the company, even though it was a fantastic company. But now I really value interacting with everyone that I meet and asking them what they do, because ultimately I want to be asked what I do, because I want to brag about what I'm doing. It is absolutely the best thing I've ever done, the greatest decision I've ever made, and I am loving every second of it.